Hello, and in this video, I want to show you a super simple Chrome extension that I use all the time. It's really great if you are working on your website or working on someone else's website, client, whatever. I found this tool to be like super invaluable, and it is called the ColorPick Eyedropper. Now again, this is a Chrome extension, so you can use this in Google Chrome. I happen to use a browser called Brave, which you can actually use Chrome extensions in there too. So this is the one, and I'll drop the actual link to this because I do know there are several. I don't know about other ones. They may be better or whatever, but this is the one I use and really like it. So the ColorPick Eyedropper, it's already installed. And then you see it's right up here on my toolbar, ColorPick Eyedropper. And this is really great because if you are working on a website, and here's Tricycle Creative's website, and you add a color somewhere, or maybe a color is on the website and you know that client really likes that color, or you want to use that color somewhere else on the website, and you want to get it exact, which is very important if we're talking about a brand color or something like that. You come up to this little Chrome picker, and then you move the cursor over the actual space or the color that you want to copy. And you'll notice when you hover over, it like zooms in the picture. So this is super helpful even to get like a really finite, like if I wanted, I want this red versus the shinier red right here. I mean, it really is a great tool. And if I want to block a color, I just drop it right there, and that's pretty easy. You know, and then what you do is you click, and it gives you what's called the HEX code. So this is that number which may mean gobbledygook to you, but this is a specific identifier for that number, which begins with the £. It also gives you the RGB color. So that's the red, green, blue. But for the most part, if you're working in web, you will just need the HEX code, and you will just click on it, you'll copy it, and then you'll paste it wherever you need or want this color on the website you're working on. And then when you're done, you just hit escape and you have your mouse back. So it's that simple. It's a super powerful tool, and I use it all the freaking time. So thought I'd share it with you.